Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to customize your Discord server. Well, to customize your Discord server, here's what you're going to do. Organize discussion with specific channels. So right click on your server name, then select create channel. Then customize its settings. So choose channel type, then if it is private or public. Then click create channel. Also, you can manage member access by creating roles. So to do that, go to the server settings, then roles, then add new roles or create role, and set permissions. Assign roles to members for specific privilege. And that's how to customize your Discord server. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.